On the recording. Yeah. So we shall start individually before me sharing the screen. You people can tell me what exactly made you click and join this meeting today. Like, what exactly are you asked with respect to LinkedIn? And then I'll share based on what I have understood about LinkedIn. You know? Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, I feel LinkedIn is a very important link when connecting with other people, especially professionally, as well as when you are connecting to recruiters. Because in India, when I started looking for a job, the first thing they told me is to activate the LinkedIn and be active on LinkedIn. And I have seen that companies as well as universities, they post on LinkedIn rather than posting it on any job site. So LinkedIn is really important these days.
Correct. So you're talking about when you're sharing your experience. Is it when you were here in India? Yeah, even right now it is valid
In
when now
India
that
as
you're
well
in
as
India.
here, both ways. So
Okay.
even the employers here say that they will first look into the LinkedIn because that is a credible source of information. They cannot just rely on a CV.
Acha, okay, chalo, nice to know because we have diversity here. Because of course, me, Saurabh sir, and Shruti madam would all speak about how it works in India and our observation, right? Like,
Mhm.
but it's good that you joined. You are the added diversity here. So accordingly, yeah, we'll take some clue about that because not every country is super active. For
Yeah.
example, see, my research topic and research interest is in online courses MOOCs. So when
Okay.
I read many papers, I come to know, okay, many people from Malaysia, many people from, let's say, China. So basically, Asian country authors are writing more
Mhm.
papers in this. And then when I try to search their profile on LinkedIn, so I have noticed that they are not using LinkedIn as much as opposed
Research.
to the Western part of the world. But
Mhm.
regardless, we have to accordingly, like, understand that, okay, if it is working for whichever part, it's fine because, like,
Yeah.
yeah, we are doing our own marketing, so that's that. Okay. Any other questions before I share across my profile or like I view your LinkedIn profile?
I don't have any questions.
Acha, ठीक है. So be ready to share your screen then, and then I'll scrutinize your
Okay.
profile. Yeah, because you people are doing really a good job. For that example, Saurabh sir, he keep on posting about a lot of happenings that, that is happening with respect to him, be either in this personal life or whatever is involved with respect to the job that he is doing. So, one thing that he is doing right, based on my observation, is you have to, whether you call it, yes, populate your feed, like keep on, like, posting a lot of stuff, because then out of those stuffs one particular post might pick up. So it's never that, like, I need to post twice, so usme se one particular post would kind of, like, do really well. That's not how I mean things work. So that helps, especially in the initial years. And then later, of course, once people realize that, okay, this person is continuously writing in this particular genre, then people find you credible. So
Mhm.
yeah, that has been my what do you call it? Again, observation. I'm just waiting for, probably, I don't know whether it's okay. It's 5 minutes from like the meeting started. I think this is it, right? I don't think so. More people will be joining in, so we may start. I will even share across my experience on when I was called by LinkedIn Mumbai, and as to why I was called for that particular reason. And on top of that, now how we are taking it ahead. Like after that meeting, did it just close, or we're actually, like,
Mhm.
thinking and talking about doing something else. So when I say we, I'm not just talking about the content creators, so to say, who were called there in LinkedIn Mumbai's office, but also the next project that LinkedIn is trying, project boldo experiment that they are working in, and where they want us to basically like participate or test try on any new format that they are coming up with. So
That's
yeah, that
great.
thing I'll speak about.
Mhm.
um
Okay, let me share. I don't have the
Yeah,
share
sure.
rights.
Yeah,
I
okay, let me
can,
just check.
okay.
I'll just give the sharing rights to all. No, I think
Mm,
you're sharing the screen. Yeah.
yeah. So this is my profile.
Okay, you can
I
just
keep on,
start with the first, like where your image is, right? I guess
yeah.
anyone would agree, both your image needs to be again. The pixel needs to be clearer.
Is very bad. Yeah, I have got so
It's
many
very blurry.
feedback on that. Your picture is not clear, and then I feel lazy changing it.
Yeah, and even the theme cover, you can make that
Okay.
theme cover as your business card. So generally,
Okay.
what I do is I write two or three keywords that I want to
Mm.
be known for, or on what content I write, and just basic
Okay.
information where those three keywords for which people should be connecting with you, and your email ID if you want to display.
Okay.
So that people
Okay.
can, like, not everyone will have time to actually go through your profile and check your inner details.
Mm.
So probably that
Okay.
particular theme cover, if they find any post interesting about you, they can just directly write you mail, because that works. I mean, I'll, if time permits, I'll even share across one particular message I have received from this European based university professor who was open to be understanding how MOOCs is progressing here in India. So out of everyone, I'm sure she must have connected to many. She even contacted me, and not just that, matlab, rather Indian people take time in like responding when they never respond. I've been there, but she even gave me two particular timings that, as per her particular schedule, let's decide on a meet, and we talked. And then I have to send now, as of now, I have to send her a proposal because she wants to understand it is a faculty development program that we do. Basically, what is the effectiveness of that? Can some MOOCs be done in that regard? So, and since she has seen that we keep on doing all the ALW workshops now, so probably she has reached out to me and she wants to understand, like, is this just a norm, like a thing that we do, or is there a benefit for it, and so on and so forth. So that has been my recent experience, again all thanks to LinkedIn, where she was able to scan my profile. Okay, we can
Mhm.
go down.
Mhm.
Yeah. um Probably again, the about section is where I will come to know about you. It's basically your intro. So I would suggest,
I've not even updated it.
yeah, again, I mean, the information now, it's again information overload for me, because you have such, what do you call it, like,
Mhm.
pointer making points mentioned. But like, again, if I don't have time, I'll skim through all these important details. So why don't you break
Mhm.
it down into pointers? And jo initial
Okay.
hook hai na, those three lines that I happen to see, that is around
Mhm.
21 years still programming. Try to, like, either in that particular line, give me some figure or impact that you have created, and something
Okay.
that is very unique to you, for which people should
Okay.
be basically approaching you. Because again, otherwise I won't have time to go through it. So my
Right.
about section, if you go to see, it's very long, and I actually want to shorten it down, because हमें ज़्यादा preachy भी नहीं दिखना, right? But at the same
Mhm.
time, in like, have some breaks and pointers in between, so that it's breather for the person who is reading the profile to read it
ठीक है.
out. Okay,
Mhm.
next. Yeah. Abhi, when it comes to featured section, right? Thoda niche,
Mhm.
हाँ, yeah. When it comes to featured section, I always recommend everyone to please have featured section में two or three like, featured section दिखते हैं. For example, right now I can see two. Please
Mhm.
don't have certificate and other stuff, but have your image, like, some
Okay.
actionable image, like let's say you're receiving an award, you're delivering a very important session, कुछ
Mhm.
prestigious, something where I can see you, have that.
Okay.
Because again, that
Okay.
is other way of how I can see how do you look in action, because this looks
Okay.
like, again, like as if you're just loaded your certificates, and I won't know who actual Anchal Garg is. So
Okay.
have those post as your featured image. Okay, next to post here. So I'll not comment much on this. See, you have yourself not supported and commented your post, that LCM wala, which is again such a big thing. You could have, yeah, like, Achal ma'am written such beautiful story about, because I genuinely, I got so emotional when, if you remember the last meeting that happened, where,
Mhm.
like, I mean, there's so much to, I'm not asking you to share every detail, of course, but like, since you
Mhm.
took the lead, and your story, your vision of actually completing this paper is something that is definitely, इसके ऊपर एक paper या case study लिखना चाहिए of the struggles that we have to go through it. So like,
Yeah.
again, it's just like आपने ऐसे mention किया as if it's just a casual paper. No, it is not. Please, the hook line could have been like, the 5 years of struggle or something in those regards की, okay, मतलब पेपर तो है ही, बट लाइक द स्ट्रगल बिहाइंड इट, एंड श्योर कि this paper, again, it's already doing well comments in terms of reposting, but I'm sure, like, the way you presented it na, to people would know, the other people who cannot be part of these kind of meetings ki actually what goes about in terms of writing or drafting this paper down. So
Mhm.
उसका भी एक अच्छा सा स्टोरी टेलिंग नरेशन में ब्रेक डाउन हो पाता, तो आई एम श्योर
ठीक
दिस
है. I'll do
पोस्ट
that.
अगेन
Yeah.
would have, yeah. Or again, you can repost it or mention this particular post in the comment, and think
Mhm.
about whenever you have time some other details that you missed. Again,
Okay.
for us, because we are talking about interventions here, and intervention is a very important part, which is taking the LCM, what do you call it, legacy ahead. So I would suggest, don't just like एक post में खत्म मत कर दो this particular story. You may continue it ahead by giving your side to what it took you to write this paper down
Mm.
in a nice,
Correct.
again, storytelling and थोड़ा pointers format में, not just like again
Okay.
paragraph and sentences.
Mhm.
क्या नीचे और okay, this was just like one quick observation. Here, तो of course you have mentioned. This is fine. Okay. In the recommendation section,
Mhm.
sorry, I happen to see that you have only given recommendation. Of course, as a professor or
Mhm.
someone who is guide, we always give. But again, try to basically send across requests to people of different projects with you have worked with, where they can
Okay.
recommend you. And
Okay.
I feel minimum 3 or 4 recommendation from different people in different capacity that you
Mhm.
have worked should definitely be there, because again that helps. So for example,
Okay.
one can be a student that you have guided on a very important
Mhm.
project. Let's say they published and it was published in a well reputed place. Someone who is senior to you, someone who has worked in non academic work with you, if you have something to
Mhm.
show. So like that shows about the dynamism and like different sides to who exactly am I. So
Okay.
always have at least recommendation. Baki to now it's done. Like you've almost reached
Yeah.
the bottom.
And
Yeah.
okay, I'll make those changes.
Yeah. Even so I'll just quickly share my profile, how it
Mhm.
looks like. For certain things, if I would have missed, again, I'm not claiming that that is like the absolute correct way, but it has helped me in terms of, what do you call it? Getting response back from people whom I have approached. Okay. So, like I was talking about, this is my
Mhm.
business card, you can say. I know it looks
Okay.
thoda kiddish, but I want to, because since we are talking about learning journeys and all, I want to have
Mhm.
that kind of theme.
Okay.
So, these are my tags. Okay. And I'll quickly share another story about, like, how these tags in particular have helped me to basically be invited by LinkedIn, because not many academicians are writing or branding themselves on LinkedIn. So I came in that academic wala category. They had different categories: industry people, some HR person, some CEO, or some person who coaches the coach kind of. So I was in that
Mhm.
academic behavioral science category, which I'll be discussing about later. I'm sure that Samir sir has always been promoting about, like, having your own website or some place where you can publish
Mhm.
or talk about your projects, right? So यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया, I forgot to mention when I was reviewing ma'am's
Yeah, I have not done that, I think
yeah,
so.
एक particular, so there is a section like this. So my
Mhm.
account is again free. I am not using premium version. I've never used premium version. Jitna you can
Okay.
juice out the free version. I mean, that talks
Mhm.
about, like, how much you want to utilize and test and try how LinkedIn works.
Mhm.
So again, on free version, there is something called as where you can include, if you go and click over here, a link. So this, if
Mhm.
someone clicks, is the link to my website. Okay, so this is my website. If people want to understand, so even in my website, ek to the basic image and then my association with all the brands. But again, this website thing is different, but include some of the other links that you can provide here.
Mhm.
It can be a Google Scholar link. It's even that is
Okay.
fine. Then about section, I have broken it down in this format. Again, I will say that it's too much of the information I need to clean up, but
Mhm.
thoda, like, breaks in between, so that people
Mhm.
understand that, okay, she knows that every year she has some milestone that she needs to achieve, not a conscious one, but like it looks like, at least here, the way I have formatted
Mhm.
it, yeah, in terms of year, the things that I've, like, achieved. Then these are all my, when I say calling credentials, these are all the links where you will happen to see different side of me, not just academic, but even, for example, side where I am open to giving consultancy. I, in general, write my thoughts about everything. So whatever links you have, you may mention it as
Okay.
my calling credentials and place it down. हाँ, so I was talking about featured section, right? So वैसे तो we
Mhm.
have many posts that does well, etc. But if you see consciously, I've listed in my window, I can see three featured posts. So I have consciously given different institute. If you happen to see
Mhm.
LinkedIn, of course, because this platform is LinkedIn. SPJN, because here in Mumbai, SPJN is a very big institute. And when I went there for a case study conference, I consciously clicked a photo having the SPJN wala this because I knew that I wanted to use it for my featured post. So यहाँ में you can see me as well as the of course the logo. And this is last year का IIT wala thing. So again, all
Okay.
the Premier Institute which I need not introduce to people. So I've used consciously those where you can see me in action, either for whatever capacity I've been there.
Mhm.
If you see, यहाँ से मेरा certificate चालू होता है, which is again for me it's a big thing because this is in behavioral science, but that I have kept it later. But if you see, na, most of the post consciously in the featured section, I have kept it where again here I'm speaking, I'm delivering, so that they see how
Mhm.
active I am in terms of speaking. So it's again all
Okay.
branding. Then, yeah. So, in terms of experience, what I have done is when you talk about your experience and like the details
Mhm.
that you feel, since I'm sure that with respect to that particular university or college, you must have done some activities, some events and stuff. So,
Mhm.
if possible, you may include even the images as well as the links to that particular post. Okay, there is
Okay.
a feature you can like what do you call it, like explore around. So यहाँ पे people can see, okay, my journey with Atlas, what all different things that I was not involved in, because we have to be, of course, involved in multiple things, but was I was able to achieve, or I was awarded for that particular category, subcategory. So people can again see me in action while I'm giving talk, receiving a certificate, etc. So my contribution to Atlas before they even reaching out to someone from Atlas to see whether how active is this person from Atlas. So this is there. Yeah, so wherever it is possible, I've provided a link or a, let's say, a recommendation letter given to me so that people can know how credible I am. Again, nobody is going to search. So, jitna easy you can do for them to process the information, it's better. So, yes, it takes time. Maybe many people would say that is too much of information, but it is at least helping me. So, I'm just sharing what has,
Mhm.
because
Okay.
see, I don't have anything to hide. Like tomorrow, if anyone has any doubts about like, what did she do? In what way did she contributed? So my sabhi ke links, I just paste it even in my experience section so that people can read and then they can know who I am. Okay, so this is there. Education ka was all proper. Even for certification, I have included the certificate and the link. And
Mhm.
again, the reason why I actively basically like whenever I get the certificate, I actually update my LinkedIn is because at the end of the academic year when we have to fill the appraisal form and stuff, it always helps to go back basically on LinkedIn because आधे से ज्यादा चीजें याद नहीं रहती and plus my drive is already full. तो कहाँ मैं ड्राइव में ढूंढूं इन विच फोल्डर हैव आई डन व्हाट. सो जितना हो सके ना एनीथिंग टू डू विद इवन लाइक मी रिव्यूइंग अ पेपर और मी बीइंग पार्ट ऑफ अगेन एज अ रिसोर्स पर्सन वट एवर इट इज, जितना हो सके पॉसिबल आई पोस्ट इट हियर सो दैट लास्ट मिनट का जो टेस्टिंग करना रहता है जस्ट चेकिंग दैट वेदर हैव आई मिस्ड आउट एनी डिटेल्स और एक्चुअली गो टू लिंक्डइन एंड दिस इज माई open public Google Drive accessible to all. So yeah, it helps both ways, so I do that. And it's not just me, but even like we were having conversation like many months ago, me and Sarika ma'am. So even she said the same thing. Even I refer to LinkedIn for basically going through what all things I've done in the past. Volunteering work, again, just to show my honestly human side. If you want to include, you can include like the other volunteering work that you do.
Mhm.
Skills. Okay, now this is something that is growing. Yes, you have mentioned about skill, but ideally, na other people, those who know how LinkedIn works, they actually go to your profile and endorse your skills. So let's say
Mhm.
my skills is into educational technology, higher education teaching. If you see, there are people who have endorsed it, like
Mhm.
two endorsement, one endorsement, six endorsements. SEO again, I'm not really that pro at it, but since I passed this LinkedIn test, again an open free test, I don't know why, but these people have endorsed me. So again, so 2 3 years ago, what people used to do is like they would ask ki bhai tu endorse mujhe kar le and I will also endorse you. So in those terms, people used to what do you call it, negotiate, bargain. But these
Right.
days, yeah, we can do that. But these days, for example, abhi just last week I took a session for Symbiosis Institute. Again, it was given to me by Sophia Madam. So one of the participant, I conducted a session on LED. So one of the participant actually wrote a post on same, and not just that person wrote a post, they actually went through my profile and they endorsed me. So this is that person. I remember higher education. Mein. So yeah, so again, it helps. The more people endorse, we don't mind. Again, I didn't ask, but you keep the options open for people. You never know in which manner they would want to basically endorse you or write about you. Now, recommendation is also open. So, these are the recommendations that I have received. If you see, he's a behavioral scientist, one of my key variable that I study. So, this shows my industry side because with him, I have worked on a small industry project. And again, learning experience design, even she comes from industry. So, I consciously wanted not an academician to be basically giving me a recommendation because then it feels like, okay, this is an arranged recommendation, not really an authentic one. That's why I say have diversity in terms of the recommendation that people are providing if possible. And like I said, 3 4 recommendation please have, it makes your
Mm.
profile complete. This is the all
Yeah.
publication work. I think for Achal madam, publication was something that is missing. I mean,
Yeah,
people
I've
have
not
so,
added
yeah.
publications or news awards. I will add
Yeah,
those
please,
things.
please add because again, mine is
Mhm.
to UGC care. It's not even that great, but still I've posted it. But
Mm.
for you people, you have good citation numbers and also when time as a researcher, of course, for us publication has to be priority,
Yeah.
featured has to be priority, so that people know that I'm actively open for collabs and works. Awards is something that I keep it up to you. I think we are not schools kids though for award and something unless it is like really a big award. Please do mention
Mhm.
it. Otherwise, no need to mention. Since I've been
Okay.
maintaining this profile for almost 4 years, though, matlab, I have been that way consistent. But ideally, now that I am taking a session, I feel all this is very it's like school or a college thing. But yeah, of course, for us as academician, publication is something that do edit. I mean, update.
Mhm.
Sorry. Then this is the test score, again up to you, and the languages I know. So this is the
Yeah.
end where I reach my profile. So yeah, this is how my profile looks like. I just in general want someone to give a feel ki, okay, this account or this profile is not dead when someone goes through it.
Mhm.
She keeps on updating. It's updated as per last month, and again it talks about how for her how much important this is in basically being in touch with this professional self. So yeah, this is my profile. I also remember that oh, Samir sir is here. Hi sir, I don't know when.
Hello, sir.
Hello. So I was just about to give Samir sir's example, by the way. I don't know whether he's listening to me or no. So next week we have a session on learner-centric MOOC where, headed by Sarika ma'am. So there, where we were when we were asking, of course, approaching people. For example, Samir sir is keynote speaker. Ki, sir, please give your what do you call it introduction. What should we say as a speaker, etc. So sir message Sarika madam ki go and refer to my profile. And since I am helping her out in terms of scheduling and preparing scripts and all, so if you see, sir has been that way. He is actually walking the talk. Sir ki website mein you go and the CV that he has shared, it is updated as of November 2025. So again, so since I was talking about why am I keeping everything updated on LinkedIn is because of this reason. Again, because there should be some go-to move where even if I'm not there and someone checks my profile out, they understand that chalo, consciously whenever I have time, I know that this I want to keep this particular site as very lively and up to date. So I think for Sameer sir, it is his WordPress site. For me, it is LinkedIn. And yeah, that's how we keep our thing updated. So, yeah, now talking about my experience as to on LinkedIn and why I was called to LinkedIn Mumbai. I'll keep it short. So, it was a random email I received on some evening where they said that you are amongst the top creators who creates content on LinkedIn from Mumbai on this category, which is again as an academician talking about online learning and behavioral science. So they have actually given me that, and that's the reason why they said that we want to have a conversation with you and an interview with you with respect to how can we take this platform forward, and it will be a nice meet and greet with fellow creators. So they said out of around 800 to 1000 people, only from Mumbai. They were going through it. Around 10 to 12 people were called. Okay. So again, I mean, the people who were along with me, all were professionals and all were really understanding the value of using LinkedIn as I know two people who have actually left out their full-time job and now doing it, like as like now treating LinkedIn platform as the platform from where they earn, especially people who, मुझे लगता था कि अरे who reads न्यूज़लेटर से भी पैसे मिल सकते हैं क्या, because people are actually like promoting their newsletter on LinkedIn. And the girl who accompanied me, I remember her name is Riya Punjabi, you may search about her online, and she was sitting next to me. She said that yes, initially I was just a professional trainer, but now I keep my information updated on LinkedIn. I sell my newsletters every week dedicatedly in this particular day. I create my content and people read it, and that's how I earn. So again, like I don't think so. People have understood really the what do you call it? The way how you can use LinkedIn to the best advantage. So yeah, those were the communications. Abhi, just today morning, one of the creators, I'll share the window later of the group that we have of LinkedIn creators Mumbai. They were sharing that they are doing this experiment. They want to understand and decode how the algorithm works on LinkedIn. So they were saying that कोई posting का time होता है क्या? Initially there used to be some posting time, which I will still share. You may try, test and try. Apart from this, they said now, based on their research again, if you share, sorry, the LinkedIn post ka link on WhatsApp or any other platform, rather it will not give you more traction, which is again an experiment. We don't know it is true or no. It is coming from one of the creators based on his research. He says, naturally, since you are posting more and more, LinkedIn pushes your content forward. So, if you are just starting off, my best advice would be post more about anything and everything. For example, I don't have a schedule that, okay, for the next week, I know that I will be posting once, twice, thrice. It is completely based on whatever I observe, whatever clicks to me, whatever I see, chalo, iske baare mein I can write some content on it. And I go on that whim. Because now that I have completed 4 years, I need not maintain that, like, streak of, okay, posting regularly. But since, let's say, you're starting from square one right now, you really want to use LinkedIn to the best of the advantage. I would suggest first thing should be, first of all, build your connections, have more number of followers, update your profile, and along with that, post minimum three times in a 3 times in a week. And comment, not just post, please comment on other people, especially people who get many comments, because usse na again people would, if they really like your viewpoint, they would want to know ki, okay, who this person is, who Debyan is, who Gauri is, who Divya is, for that matter. तो उनके एक पोस्ट में कमेंट करना is also something that LinkedIn really helps you to basically get that discoverable rate. And tag people. I won't really say ki hashtag, like I've mentioned it in my text box. Use 5 hashtags, not more than five. You must have observed people using more than 5, 10, 15 hashtags. That actually confuses the algorithm कि भाई ये post किस particular category में मैं डालूं. So initially I used to do that, but like now, based on the meeting that we've had in LinkedIn headquarters, they said 5 to 6 hashtags, and all the hashtags should be related, so that it's easier for my algorithm to box you out in a particular category. On which category do you write? And yeah, tag people. Be very active in terms of commenting then and there when someone is commenting on your post. Like, someone is commenting at 8:30 and then you're responding them at around 11 o'clock or the next day, it doesn't help, because again then you have to, like, the new day starts. So if it is possible, be very prompt in terms of commenting real time. And yeah, just break the information into pointers form. Use visuals as much as possible. See, I understand many people say, which is true, that they are using LinkedIn as Instagram. I'm saying that you maintain that particular space or a gap, ki you don't make it complete Instagram. I'm not saying that, like, you post any shabby photo or something shabby, not shabby, sorry, poor choice of word. It should be some, it should not be so Instagrammy, but then at the same time, it should not be always super serious. I want to see the other sides of you, but have your image. The more image you have, people know you, and they just don't know you by your cover photo, for that matter. Because I take big pride whenever I go to any conference or any different college or institute, and when people actually tell me, oh, you're that LinkedIn girl. So that's something that I take it as a compliment because again, they have seen me in multiple photos. So now they know me even before they have met me. So yeah, that's always very it helps. Okay, Samir Son has written reacting is not equal to commenting. Yes. And I think I've even mentioned this post out without about commenting actually. So at times now, many people have DM'd me because they wanted to comment something that is very either sensitive or something that would show their other side, and they don't want to make it public about the post that I've written, some personal story. So they DM me. So what you can ask them to do is you can write down in subtle, or even in the comment you can say ki I have DM my views. Even that helps. It's fine, but never like what do you call it? Uh, you Now it is up to you whether you want to be vulnerable or no. But do people do DM you because sometimes your post might move them. So yeah, thoda vulnerability if you show halka sa. I'm not saying that going beyond it. People really connect with you. That also helps. So yeah, commenting and not just commenting very nice, good, and all these basic keywords, but actually putting some thought to one liner that yeah you want to post about. Okay, any other specific questions any one of you have, or anybody else's profile that you would want me to view?
Yeah, sure, I can share my profile. I think
Yeah.
your tips will be very useful. Just 1 second.
Saurabh sir, could we join back to the link again? Sorry, yeah, I can see 5 minutes left. So फिर वो that review would be incomplete. No?
Okay, okay.
Yeah, I'll
So should
just
I stop?
yeah, and just join back using the same link, or I'll just post the link. I'll
So we all should like go out and then again join
yes,
on the
yes,
same link.
yes. Because again the entire link will be.
Okay. Thanks for a couple of people. Even I am using many hashtags. So now I need to reduce that. And also, I mean, what is the best time? I don't know because
Yeah,
generally I post somewhere.
yeah.
In fact, I schedule every post because I do not get like a regular. And one more thing that I understood is that replying quickly will also help you, right?
Also, okay. Can I, based on whatever I see quickly, because like since
Yeah, sure.
I'm not in any social media call it platform. So whenever I see any profile, I'm like just I get so curious. Okay, this can be done, that can be done. So I hope you're not taking it by to your heart. But like again, okay, this because I mean
Yeah,
I genuinely do it out of sheer joy because this is
yeah.
where I be. So I'll start with the headline that you have used. I would
Hmm.
suggest break it down into top three or four key terminologies.
Okay.
Um,
Means you mean here? I mean after my
Sorry,
name?
I think this. एक second रुकना अच्छा this was getting sorry my screen got हाँ yeah so independent director chief academic officer there is too much of what do you call it so keep
Yeah.
it simple again because then ऐसा लगता है we are trying too much
Uh,
and yeah even the theme cover is subtle but if you want to
hmm.
use it as a business card and give some keywords helps. Okay, and
Okay.
yes, I forgot to mention this to Anchal madam, but I'll tell you because I can see your URL here, upper. So it's again I understand Divya Thakur, Saurabh Mehta. It's a very common name. So can you see
Hmm.
वहाँ पे then there is Saurabh Mehta के dash में 712 ABA
Yeah, yeah.
163 yeah.
Uh-huh.
So you try to figure out any eh, if I'm sure कि सौरभ मेहता भी किसी ने ले लिया रहेगा for sure.
Uh, uh,
So any other like just replace those numbers because that's also
okay.
something that basically keeps us humans as opposed to machines. This is yeah. So not
Uh-huh.
right now, but whenever you have time, you can see that button, right? Public profile and URL. So वहाँ पे try to figure out a
Hmm.
combination that you can get, which is something in the lines of yeah, Saurabh
Okay.
or maybe Saurabh N Mehta. Maybe किसी ने नहीं लिया रहेगा तो you can try and
Uh,
figure out and that permutation, but that you can do. Okay, चलो,
okay.
let's go down. Okay, I would say the same thing to you about section में too much of information right in the first line, like one hook and then pointers. Yeah,
Okay.
you if possible, just the first I am. वो पूरा ऐसा लगता है honestly as if like it's like a kind of like a direct speech that you're giving, so probably you can keep it thoda light and yeah, just a hook.
Okay.
नीचे okay, services featured I did see, so this feature section is correct where you're talking about again, this helps, this is good. Again, all these are
So post. Now post.
I'll say the same thing in the experience. Of course, sir has updated it, but any kind of link, any kind of project that you have done solo for the college, for the institute, or along with your students, any project, and you feel it is like worth the link that you can attach, do that. Especially when you were
Okay.
leading that project, let's say as a head. Okay. Yes. Next, Nietzsche. Sir, if you
Start.
can just pause. Yeah, I know you as the IT person, right? Sorry, but
Uh,
if I
uh,
see your skills, like it talks about
uh,
history, geopolitics. So
yeah.
in that particular skill section, there is an option where you can provide in terms of priority, like which one is
Okay.
important keywords that you want to know for, because then I will get confused ki whether what subject of expertise you are into
Uh,
or what subject you are researching. So a minor edit, but if possible, you may.
okay.
And then recommendation again, you have given these recommendation. So
Yeah.
try to basically, if possible, approach someone for whom, like who can
Yeah.
actually
So far
write.
I have not approached. So now I'll start.
Yes. Again, and pick up people from different genres,
Yeah.
not really academic,
Correct.
because that talks a lot about your profile. Any
So keep
particular question?
updating. So one question I wanted to ask you that, I mean, how to increase the reach of a post. So what are some tips that you can share?
Hmm.
So couple of things that you mentioned about like, reducing the hashtag. I think let me try that.
Yeah.
Then another tip that you mentioned about quickly replying to comments. I think that
Yes.
will also
Yes.
help. Generally, when I post, I mean, generally I schedule my post in the morning, and then evening I get a time to actually go through it, and that time I actually respond to people.
Hmm.
So maybe that's a huge gap. So
Correct. That huge gap, and make sure that it's just not you, it's not just one way around that you are posting and you are commenting on your own post, but actually comment on someone else's post as well.
yeah,
Because
yeah,
this new feature that we were also discussing when we had a meeting there is LinkedIn is really working hard in basically making this platform as a collaborative platform. So if you
okay,
see now, for example, when I post under let's say someone who is the head, the HR, CEO, these people generically get more visibility, right? तो if I
hmm,
write a comment ना, मुझे उसके ऊपर भी notification आता है a day later कि oh this
hmm.
particular comment has reached so many impressions. मेरे खुद के
Ah,
पोस्ट में इतना impressions नहीं I
ah,
happen to reach as supposed to, because again these
ah,
people are like for these, there are many followers
hmm,
of these people, many people are reading our comments, and many people actually then, if they really like my insight, they go and read about my profile or send me a request, whatever helps. So yeah, I would suggest ki have a balance between both, and like commenting on someone else's post, something that is interesting, not generic comments, that also helps. And timing, yes. So from what I have understood, all the creators, they were saying that in India, okay, again, not about other countries, I don't know how it works there, but in India, early morning, between 10 to 10:30 is the time that people post, and after 5 o'clock, when if
okay,
what they were to schedule, but not beyond 6, because 5 to 6
okay,
generally 10 o'clock se people start their day, so it's not really that busy, and 5 o'clock they wind up, so they have time in terms of scrolling and updating, like going through LinkedIn, and that's where probably if we are posting, our post will pop up. Apart from that, there is also an ongoing experimentation that is going about where LinkedIn doesn't want people to um, basically discover your post from, let's say, WhatsApp, from, let's say, Facebook. So they want it
Hmm.
naturally to come. So I'm not asking you to don't share it on your social status stories and all. Please do that. But apart from that, they are changing their algorithm. So what will work best is everything that you can do within that particular platform. And that will happen again when you are opening up that platform again and again and commenting and reaching out and yeah, showing that you're active. So that's one experimentation that we are doing. Yeah. Uh, any other question, anyone else, or some experiment that you have done that has worked or not worked, or any kind of question you have?
So another question is that what kind of like a post reach maximum when you are mentioning about your achievement or when you are sharing your own personal experience or maybe something else. I mean, so
Yeah. Uh,
how?
big brands, tagging big people always help. And yeah, it takes an effort, but tagging all the respective people. So I make sure that, again, all the big people involved. For example, the LinkedIn meeting is the one that has reached the highest traction for me over my journey of 4 years because I've tagged the community managers there, the main head lead of LinkedIn. And also, one thing that I did differently that others didn't is I have in my post also mentioned ki it is my wish to, now that I have gone to Mumbai LinkedIn headquarter, I also want to basically now reach the US ka main headquarter again. And I just wanted to basically tag those people out. And you won't believe that the head of LinkedIn actually liked my post. And when I went to his post to check ki how active he is, he doesn't always engages in many posts. मतलब पता चलता है ना
Okay.
people के activity से.
Yeah.
So yeah. So again, so that way you have to be take a guess and then prepare a line and then tag you. You never know. Or sometimes we just have this hunch na ki yeah I know ki this post will do well. So might as well used all the right at the rates. Right at the
And
rates being very yeah.
another particular question is that if you have to identify a very high impact hashtags, so is there any tool which can help us to find out? No.
I know people do use it. For example, one of the creators I've met there in the
Hmm.
meeting, you won't believe he doesn't create his content and उसने सामने से बोला. He has people of two people. He have people of in teams, two people who does all this. But I don't
Hmm.
do it. So otherwise, of course, I would have shared. Like I said, I go with because my content is simple. So I know कि this goes in these 5 keywords. Like हम तो research
Yeah.
paper लिखते ही रहते हैं. So for us, it's never really कि should we go very niche or should we go very broad. So but I know people do that and probably that works for them. And this guy, he uses LinkedIn basically to promote and talk about his Udemy courses because I have mentioned it in ALW messages that Udemy pays really well to basically course creators as opposed to your LinkedIn Learning बोल दो या any other MOOC platform for that matter. So he was sharing his journey there, and that's where he uses it because again he gets learners from around the globe, and people come to know about his credibility from LinkedIn. So that's the reason why he's earning that much that he can pay and keep two people to promote and comment.
Yeah.
So that has been a constant, what do you call it, observation that we have seen.
And I don't know whether it is true or maybe it is just an impression. But is it true that when we are mentioning some outside link in a post, uh, LinkedIn do not promote those kind of like a post? Is
Yes,
it
yes,
true or
yes. Yeah, it is true. But what you can do is you can paste that link. I have
in a
tried it
comment?
like that in comments and not really in the
Yeah.
post because of course I it's a basic rule that that particular platform won't want you to go and view some other platform, right? So comment may you can mention because anyways comments say again you are getting one particular traction ki okay link in the comment people will check the comment and it's not really even coming in your post as a link. So with a textual post you can include an image or a photo.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Okay, Achal has gone because
Yeah,
okay.
I'll stop
Yeah.
sharing.
Anyone else? Any other question? I think Debyan has mentioned yeah, I want to share my profile too. Debyan, the this share link is open. Any and every person can basically share their screen.
Hello, can
Hi.
you hear me?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah, can I share now?
Yeah, you may go ahead and share.
Your screen. Can you see it? Is it visible?
Yes, yes, it is visible. Huh.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, again, I'm not the only expert here, so the other people can also pitch in and share across what they think. I will tell you the same thing, Debyan, that is the headline. There's too much of keywords, and then I'm
Hmm.
getting confused, in terms of whether he's a student, he's a faculty, what exactly this person is into. So I would suggest key 3 or 4 keywords which you feel would
Okay.
actually create more impact and would make people reach out to you out of all the headline make keywords that you not keywords basically headline
Yes.
information that you have mentioned.
Hmm.
And
Right.
yeah, and 1,000 follow 1,000 plus followers. That means, of course, you definitely have to send a lot of follow requests to many people because if you don't have people only, then how would you reach? So I would suggest start sending connection requests to many people by putting in the keywords whichever keywords you want to connect with people, right? So I would suggest minimum you have to one person has to reach that 3K ka mark. It's not difficult, but 3K once you reach na then. People start discovering, okay, you are active on LinkedIn and you can start commenting and writing about your post.
Yeah. That is a paragraph.
Yeah. So you can
Have
break
to
it down
change
into
it.
pointers, but it's fine even if you have a little bit of information. If possible, any kind of links you want to provide in the about section, you may. But again, it looks very, what do you call it, mechanic in terms of when I see it, the about section. So, thoda hook in the,
Yeah.
basically hook in the sense the problem that you're solving, and then you can give
Hmm.
those pointers based information.
Right.
Okay, so you posted about this post 10 hours ago and forget about others, but you have yourself not liked it. I understand that you have 1K followers, but still. So what I do is when I post now, that
Hmm.
I don't directly like or comment on my post tabhi ke tabhi, but within an hour or two, regardless of whether how many people have
Okay.
liked and commented. Because again, I know that I have around 5,000, 6,000 followers. So I know ki, because of my like also this post will get pushed. So maybe in an hour or so, once you post
Hmm.
it, you may like and comment because at least if this is very important, it
Hmm.
must reach out to the right person. And Debyan, one thing that I have noticed about your post is you generally write a brief about all the sessions that you have attended, right? So
Yeah.
are you making a conscious decision of actually tagging the resource person along with writing your take on that particular post? That will also help. Or you're just giving very generic wala, what do you call it, like details. So if that is so, then maybe you can consider redoing the way you are creating content, like the textual content.
Okay.
Yeah, because same thing happened last week with me when I conducted a session, and there was one student who actually, was smart enough to post about that particular content with his photo when I was having a discussion with him. So people have that way turned smarter. They are using, LinkedIn to basically benefit each other. So that if you can, you might consider.
Yeah.
This is experience.
Post should be personalized, you were saying.
Sorry?
Not so much generic. It should be some personalized and with tagging
And
with
tag
local
them,
post
correct.
tags.
Tag them as well, so that also not just tagging, but actually initiating a question based conversation that never happened because let's say the online meeting was only of an hour. So maybe if
Hmm.
there was some question that was left or remaining or left unanswered, so wahan pe in the text you can ask them. And of course, if after me conducting
Hmm.
any session for that matter, even mujhe mein excitement hota hai that maybe someone would write about it on LinkedIn. So I will be more than
Hmm.
happy to actually feel rather that is a public acknowledgement or a feedback that I will receive. So a question you can draw. So that question would basically make them to comment under your post. So try.
Hmm.
Okay.
Thanks. Thanks.
Yeah. Experience though it's so you have included letter education.
Yeah. Education is there. some certifications and licenses,
Volunteering
volunteering work,
skills
skills,
and
no
recommend.
endorsement.
Okay. Recommendation again. You have not received any
Recommendation,
recommendation.
I
You
didn't.
may ask people
Yeah.
to basically recommend you. Publication you have mentioned. You have not mentioned the link. If the link is public and open, please do mention so that I can actually read at least one or two of your research papers and understand whether I would like to collaborate with you or no. So links always helps. Courses is fine. Awards and honors is fine. Okay. Yeah, that's it. I
That's it.
think. Yeah. So one what do you call it? Observation that I've had with at least two or three profiles that I've checked is that not many people are taking efforts in basically asking for recommendation, and that is something I think we can consider because I for sure know, especially based on my friends in foreign countries, they have said when they are looking for jobs, people actually do read the recommendation section.
Recommendation.
Yeah, and if you see for any and big person, you go to their public profiles, you will see many people have recommended. Even though, मतलब इनको क्या recommendation की जरूरत है? All these are seniors and all, but they still have it. Even from their customer clients, it can be anything. That just I think completes the profile. And again, I don't know who set this norm out, but if they are doing it, and there is a section, of course, in the bottom, people are doing it, then might as well consider doing it. Yes, Gauri, you may also go ahead. Of time or it's late. नहीं, हम लोग we can quickly basically go through the profile. ना? The more diversity we see, it's fine. And then with that, we can wrap up.
Okay, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
So I have started taking LinkedIn seriously since like past 2 to 3 months after seeing your LinkedIn and you being continuously active on LinkedIn and the variety of posts you do. Earlier, I like really didn't take that much seriously because I just started my career in instructional design. So I'll just go through it once and would love to
Yeah.
hear your suggestions.
If you have been there, na, I mean, been there in the sense, sorry, if you have gone through the comments that I've given to the other people, it's somewhat in the similar line. See, मुझे ना honestly, again, एक look में समझ में आ जाता है कि okay, this person is either a newbie on LinkedIn or like have understood LinkedIn ka, like, how to prepare the profile, right? If you go up above, uh, like, I mean, I'm not just saying by, of course, the number of followers. Again, you need to reach out to a lot of people. 1,000 is not enough. First, focus on that.
Yeah.
Secondly, apart from
Hmm.
instructional design or instructional designer, if possible, since it's instructional designer and you have some linkages with IIT Gandhinagar, I would suggest also, since you're starting your career, pitch the name of the brand that, you have
Hmm.
worked for. So, along with instructional
Yeah.
designer, maybe one more keyword, like, then you're narrowing
Hmm.
down your option. Anything that goes with
Okay.
with how you have helped Samir Sorin, let's say, the production, post-production, whatever capacity. And
Hmm.
IIT Gandhinagar
Hmm.
in the headline, not just instructional designer. That
Oh,
if possible, think of having a proper headshot as your display picture because this is
okay.
not really, again, it is professional, but it is too zoomed out. And you being in the photography line, so of course, this is something that we least expect. Ki, like, I mean, this
Hmm.
a clear headshot photo so that I know if tomorrow I happen to see Gauri in the crowd, how she actually looks like. So that is one thing that
Yeah.
you can consider. Theme cover, you may keep it as it is because this is proper IIT Gandhinagar wala feel. So you may keep that, it's fine. Or like, have certain keywords in your theme cover, even that works. Abhi, once we scroll down, your profile
Okay.
looks very raw. So abhi actually, for example, about section mention nahi hai. Then there is no featured
Hmm.
section that you have mentioned, and those are the two parameters that you can work over. So featured and about section, please fill it.
Hmm.
Okay, and you need to
That's
link.
it. I have added my
Mhm.
experience here.
Yeah.
Hmm.
See, again, if I just go by the experience, this looks like matlam, you really have a lot to talk about, which you have, of course, not reflected in the first half of your LinkedIn page. I mean, the experience, I can
Hmm.
write so many things about what all projects that I was involved with, let's say NPTEL projects or other projects or conferences. So
Hmm.
write that out for sure. And education,
Okay.
and then skills.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
it.
that's
Matlab,
done.
you have not created only those sections which I can talk about. Let's say if there is a link
Hmm.
for your work where I can see your work, if possible, provide.
Hmm.
Because वहाँ के वो जो pen section दिख रहा है ना about the IIT Gandhinagar, there
This
you can
one.
include, yeah,
Yeah.
you can include links of your project. So that will by default come under your name. So I would suggest you to do that as well, so that I know that as instructional designer or for whichever capacity that you have, like you create content on, I have some evidences to see.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah. Thank you
URL
so
wise,
much, Divya.
yeah.
I am.
URL
Huh.
wise, you are all clear, huh? Matlab, when I see your URL, that is linkedin.com, Gauri Pednekar. So that means if
That I did just now.
Acha,
When you were explaining to Saurabh sir,
okay.
I did at that time.
But you are lucky, by the way, because you got that particular name. मुझे बहुत struggle हुआ because I understand my first name and last name is everyone knows some Divya or the other. तो
Oh, so
when I
this is like surprising to me because I never get Instagram or not Facebook, but Instagram का मुझे कभी नहीं मिला है या कोई और साइट का भी वर्डप्रेस का कभी नहीं मिला है. इसका पहली बार मिल गया. I'm surprised.
good. चलो, you utilize this session in terms of real time editing this off. So, Abhi,
Yeah.
one more thing, since you are using laptop, Abhi, I'll tell you this one particular hack that I saw that we used in
Hmm.
when we met for the LinkedIn headquarter. So I didn't know about this again. That's why these meet and greets help. तो मैं ना एकदम ट्रेडिशनल पर्सन की तरह आई एंड इट वाज वेरी ऑकवर्ड टू मी बिकॉज आई वाज वेरी inexperienced and young as opposed to the other big people out there. तो मतलब I was literally asking them their first name as last name because of course I wanted to connect real time with them. And मैं क्या करती हूँ ना, generically I search them first name last name, right? But
Hmm.
this particular person, since all were having of course LinkedIn app, in the LinkedIn app there is a section called as QR code which you can just scan it and you will be redirected to
Oh.
their profile. I think इसमें नहीं, मतलब of course it's a mobile thing, right? मतलब कंप्यूटर लेके तो मैं लोगों से मिलने नहीं जाती हूँ. So there is a section in your
Hmm.
cell phone itself where you can what do you call it, QR code via connect with people. Like you need not type their name out because that becomes awkward. So let's say if I want to connect with you, there is a QR code that's there which you can use to basically just scan and yeah, connect with that person. Just so you can explore that as well in terms of rather than writing the name, connecting directly with the people.
Okay, I have one more doubt. So have you tried like handling company page through your LinkedIn? I have just started for the project I'm working on, Swayam Prabha. So we have made page for IIT Gandhinagar and like अभी मैंने चालू किया है. तो मतलब तुम्हारा कुछ एक्सपीरियंस है क्या उसके ऊपर?
I have experience because last year I was handling my मतलब the previous college का social media. So I understand there is two accounts, right? एक individual account रहता है and then there is like a public account. Yeah,
Yeah.
something in this line.
So this you can see like
Yeah.
अगर मैं इस मेरे अकाउंट पर क्लिक करूँ तो this is that account.
Oh, but why have
Companies.
you linked it with your account? वो different separate होना चाहिए ना, because this is like
So so LinkedIn gives you this option. So I can change the editor. So once I leave the company or leave this job, I can transfer this main
this
editorship to
particular
someone
right.
else.
Okay. So that I have not
Yeah.
discovered because of course since I was handling a particular institute ka social media, then of course unka individual page.
Hmm.
So I know, for example, let's say Swayam Prabha. So Swayam Prabha would be two entity, right? One is a person and the other one is a company. And now the question arises, what I have faced is whether should I be posting as a Swayam Prabha person or a Swayam Prabha company, because as a person I open up a LinkedIn and then I register it as a
Hmm.
company and then so how do you post it, like from which account? Like is it like I can send request to Swayam Prabha or individual wala account or like the company account?
So like if you want to connect with this Swayam Prabha account, then there is no option of connection. There is option of following.
Correct.
ओके एंड आप मुझे फॉलो या कनेक्ट कर सकते हो बट कंपनी के पेज को बस फॉलो कर सकते हो. तो आई क्रिएटेड दिस अकाउंट फ्रॉम दिस पार्ट फॉर बिजनेस वाला पार्ट. मैंने यहाँ से क्रिएट किया उसे एंड अभी ये मेरे अकाउंट के साथ लिंक्ड है, बट वेन एवर आई नीड टू पोस्ट ऑन दिस अकाउंट तो ये इंडिपेंडेंटली पोस्ट हो जाता है, मुझे यहाँ से पोस्ट करना है, सो दिस इज नॉट लिंक टू माई अकाउंट।
Got it.
यहाँ मतलब जब सोशल मीडिया पर जाएगा तब मेरा नाम कहीं
If
नहीं
you
आएगा,
don't mind, can you
अनलेस एंड
share?
अनटिल आई पोस्ट इट।
Got it. Can you share like any post that you have created under Swayam Prabha?
या हाँ, so this is the post I have created 1 week back. So this is very much raw because I just created it last week. Yeah.
Okay. ठीक है. Can you open up like मेरे को I want to see that individual account so that I understand. Because again, I have 1.5 year का experience, limited experience because I did handle, but
Mhm.
okay. I think हाँ, this is from company का पेज ही है because वो
हाँ,
individual
ये
वाला.
कंपनी का पेज है।
Okay.
हम्म।
ठीक है. Got it. Again, I think for both company page as well as your personal page, one thing that you can work about is first of all growing your base. That is like reaching out
Yeah,
to as many people as possible. Only then, of course, the post will pop up in people's page.
yeah, true. So I'll stop sharing.
Yeah,
So this is the new thing, like I'm
you're
looking forward।
exploring.
मतलब मैंने
हाँ.
बहुत सारे YouTube वीडियोस एंड आई ट्राइड कि जिससे ज्ञान ले सकूं, एंड आई कैन डू दैट। आपको अगर कुछ मिला इसके रिगार्डिंग प्लीज
Yeah, I'll
शेयर
share
इट विद
because
मी।
again मुझे भी ऐसा था कि since there was no one around तो I was given this task तो with trust बोलो
या
they not having any option they gave it to me मैंने 1.5 year तो संभाला but again I know कि
हम्म
but there is this company वाला page में ना this one good thing part is when you go to the analytics you can actually set 2 to 3 companies as your benchmark. Let's say if I am competing with let's say like IIT Madras, IIT Delhi for that matter तो फिर वो उस
हम्म
स्टैट्स के हिसाब से आपको इसका स्टैट्स बताएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से IIT गांधीनगर ने सॉरी IIT बॉम्बे और IIT दिल्ली ने दिस पर्टिकुलर मंथ में 3 बार पोस्ट किया है. व्हाट वाज द इंप्रेशन यू विल एक्चुअली
हाँ
कंपेयर इफ यू हैव यू
हम्म
एक्सप्लोर्ड दैट पर्टिकुलर साइट एनालिटिक्स में.
नहीं नहीं, ये तो नहीं किया है मैंने अभी,
Uh,
तो लाइक बेसिक्स ही किया है, जैसे नॉर्मल जो आता है अपना इम्प्रेशन आता है कितना
अच्छा.
कूदा, हाउ मेनी
There is
अकाउंट्स
there is a
वॉच्ड
there is a
ये
this
थी।
matlab but first you have to
या
first set your benchmark. So because I had
हम्म
did that because since I was competing with the local institutes there, local colleges there. So while exploring now because you have to always keep eye on the analytics. So there you can I think set 5 companies or 5 institutes as your competitors. सिर्फ नाम दे देने का
हम्म
pick it up and they will actually tell you कि
ओ
उस company का कौन सा first of all how many times have they posted, what have they posted and which kind of posts are
हम्म
really working for them. So इससे ना you also get a risky okay if this particular post is helping for those kind of institutes which is related to you, you might as well also
हम्म
what do you call it explore in that particular format. Let's
या
say. So that is
हम्म
one thing I would suggest you to do अभी के लिए. I know कि मतलब you have just started posting but setting a benchmark
हम्म
helps for research purpose.
या
Yes. Okay.
या
Uh,
थैंक यू सो मच दिव्या,
yeah,
इट वाज अ
welcome.
ग्रेट सेशन।
Yeah, I appreciate. Mejban, do you have any doubts or that's it? I hope you were active and you could take something out of this.
Yeah, I'm quite active to listen all those things because I'm really newbie in this thing. I have only my profile photo and a little bit information. I have not developed anything over there, and now even not posted anything.
Okay.
But this is really, really very value adding. You have given each and everything in detail by seeing those profiles. Also, I will try to make it, and then I will again
Yeah,
contact you for that.
works. See, in general, it works for any and every person, honestly, on LinkedIn. You, best part about this is you need not honestly be the very good at your game in terms of, for example, me. I don't have any great
Mhm.
journal articles that I have posted on or linkages with something that is like, really good people around, good as in, sorry, big people around and stuff. But I have genuinely been just consistent writing whatever clicks to me by heart, providing images and proofs for same. And any and every person can do. That's why I feel this platform is very doable for all. And I feel as people who are in the education field, we don't well promote ourselves or talk about it. I'm not saying ki, like really brag about yourself, but like show different sides too,
Mm-hmm.
that education is not just something that is very boring. And in that manner, of course, ek to we are blessed since we have students. Students are really
Mm-hmm.
active on LinkedIn, so they search us more and they follow us. So by naturally we anyways
Yeah.
get what do you call it, followership. And students want to tag and write about any session of ours, or like any project that they have worked on. So I have noticed students, they actually ask me ki they tag me, so that also helps. So aisa nahi ki we will
Mm-hmm.
struggle actually in terms of finding basically like followers. So yeah, credibility wise,
Right,
uh,
right.
getting basically resource person for that matter, when people type in your keywords and if your name is discoverable, they would rather approach you.
Mm-hmm.
Honestly, all the FDP, what do you call it, FDP, good journals, conferences that's happening, everyone posts about it on LinkedIn. I literally come to know everything. I don't even have to go to WhatsApp. All the new opportunities that I happen to know, people ask me, ki, what is the WhatsApp group from where you're getting this information? I just say it's all on LinkedIn open.
Mm-hmm.
There is no one particular page where you will find it. So you have to just be active and then see if you're on a lookout now, you will figure out and find something, especially with respect to what do you call it, any good opportunities that's coming in the edtech field for that matter. There are people who are open to be having you on board. So
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I just cannot
From
think of any.
LinkedIn only, I got the people with whom I have written for elsewhere. My paper was published over there.
Yeah,
But I'm not that active, and you have given such a good roadmap, no, and inspiring also. I must appreciate that you take
yeah.
initiative
And
in saying all
no,
these
no,
things to the
because
people
I genuinely do
and
it because
sharing
I
it with
love
them.
it. And like I always say, I'm not in any other social media. LinkedIn is everything to me. And top of that, of course, it has been giving me back whatever efforts I am taking. And see,
Yeah, yeah, right.
again, we cannot compete with Gen Z and their other platforms, right? So, एक platform pakdo and like have your maximum focus there. And I feel for us, this is like the best platform, which is still not so crowded. So there is space for everyone to grow and be discoverable and doable. So yeah, that's why I suggest this platform. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much
And
for spending. Yeah.
whatever you were guiding, no, it is really from your bottom of the heart.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Really, it is value adding.
Yeah, and I hope
Thank
that you
you.
try and experiment and update your profile. And yes, I mean, yeah, that's all. What more can I say? Because again, I genuinely do it because I will be always scrolling on LinkedIn, so I don't mind sharing. And if any
Mhm.
advice
I'll
would be
definitely do,
helpful,
and then I'll contact you again.
yeah, we'll do always.
Will.
And I'm there. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much
Thank
for
you.
giving your almost this meeting went for beyond an hour. I hope I didn't bore you, but I hope it was value added.
No, 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 not at all, not at all. You
Yeah.
have very well. You have given each and every moment of this session.
Thank
No,
you, because it was
it
all
is fruitful,
practical and
really.
like, basically just
Mm-hmm.
sharing what works, what doesn't work for us. So yeah, that's why it was a free flowing
Mm-hmm.
session, like I said. Okay. Chalo, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Good
Okay.
night, everyone.
Good
Bye.
night.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Good night. Bye.